Hello students, in this session we will learn about the if-else ladder statement in Java. Okay, suppose that you want to include multiple conditions in your program, then you can go for the if-else ladder. So if-else ladder will be having you'll be checking multiple conditions. Suppose that one condition evaluated to false, next you will check for the next condition. If that condition evaluated to false, next you will check for the next condition. Okay, else if ladder statement is used to work with multiple conditions. So here you can see the condition. If condition 1, if this condition 1 is evaluated to true, next it will execute the statement 1. Suppose that this condition 1 is evaluated to false, next it will check for the next condition, that is else if. So it will check for the condition 2. Suppose this condition 2 is evaluated to true, next it will execute the statement 2. Suppose that this condition 2 is evaluated to false, next it will go for the condition 3. Suppose this condition 2 is evaluated to true, then it will execute the statement 3, and so on. If all the condition is evaluated to false, next it will execute the else part. So this is else if else ladder. We'll be having a multiple conditions. So here you can see a simple example for the if else and if else if else if ladder. So here we created an array called roll numbers. So which will towards the student roll number. Next we created one more array called marks. So which will store student marks. Okay, we are checking so who are getting marks above 79, 459. So who are distinction, who are just first class, who are just pass. Okay, so first we use the for loop for I equal to 0, I is less than the roll number dot length. So this roll number is the name of an array, so which will give the size of array. Next we included a if marks of I greater than 79. Okay, this marks of I is nothing but an array which holds the student marks which is greater than 79. Okay, next if the marks are greater than 79, so we need to display the student roll number and with the message called honors. Suppose that this condition is evaluated to false, next it will go for the next condition else if marks of I is greater than 59. Suppose that this condition is evaluated to true, then we are displaying the roll number as well as first division. If the second condition is evaluated to false, next it will go for the next condition that marks of I is greater than 49. So which will display the simple message that is roll number with the second division. If all these condition is evaluated to false, it will execute the else part. Else marks of I and fail. So here we have marks as 81, 75, 43 and 58. So for 81, so 81 is greater than 79. So it will display roll number as 111 and with honor. Roll number 111 is honor. So next 75. Okay. So 75 is not greater than 79. So it will go for the next condition. So 75 is greater than 59. So it will display 222 with the first division. So this iteration will go on until all it will iterate the all the elements in the array. Okay. So we will execute the same program using Eclipse IDE. So here we will create a class first, new class. If underscore else underscore class. So yes, we require the main method. Check this and click on finish. We created class. So next declare two arrays, int roll number. So we'll create one more array, int marks 80, comma 79, not 72, comma we're having 60, 58, comma 48. Okay. So next we include a for loop for int of I equal to 0, I less than roll num dot length and I plus plus. Okay. So next we need to check the marks. If marks of I is greater than 79, I need to message from system dot out dot println honor followed by roll number. Okay. So next I'll say marks of I greater than 59. Message or first division. Okay. Next I'll say marks of I greater than 49. Okay, just greater than 49. This is the second. Else this as fail. Okay. So save this program and click on run. Okay. So only one value that is greater than 79, 80, 80 with honor and equal to it first division and triple 3 with second division and one more is fail, which is 48. So this is a simple example for if else ladder. Okay, the first condition is evaluated true, then the following statement inside this open and close curly brace will get executed. If the first condition is evaluated to false, it will check for the next condition. If the second condition is evaluated to false, it will check for the next condition, and so on. So this is the a simple example for the if else if ladder. Thank you, students.